Very good afternoon to the students. Today I will teach about the subject on honing process. This is one type of surface finishing process. In the previous class we have discussed about the lapping process. So what is honing process? It is a surface finishing operations based on the abrasive actions performed by a set of bonded abrasive sticks. The bonded abrasive sticks is attached to the workpiece. It can reduce the level of the surface roughness of the workpiece below 32 micrometers. It is used to finish the bores of cylinders of the IC engines. Bores means the diameters can be finished. Diameters of the cylinders can be finished by this process. The hydraulic cylinder is also finished by this process. The gas barrels that are used for transportations of oil, petrol and diesel can be finished, and the surface becomes smooth by using honing process. The bearing parts are also finished by using honing tool. So this is the diagram of the total honing tool. Here this is the honing tool, this is the cylindrical surface and it rotates in a circular motions. Then the workpiece is attached to the honing tools on the sides, and the bonded abrasive sticks, that is called as the hones, are attached to the workpiece surface. The abrasive sticks provides reciprocating motion to the workpiece, and the honing tool rotates in a circular motions. The honing tool used to finish the internal surface as shown in the figure. It consists of a set of bonded abrasive sticks. The number of sticks mounted on the tool. The number of sticks mounted on the tool depends on the circumference area of the workpiece. That means how much smoothness is required on the workpiece surface. Next is the motion of the honing tool is a combination of both rotation and reciprocating motions. So that means the honing tool rotates both in linear and reciprocating circular motions. Next, the motion is managed in such a way that at a given point on the abrasive sticks does not trace the same path repeatedly. That means the motion can be managed in such a way that the abrasive stick cannot repeat the same path again. The speed of the honing tool is kept at generally 10 cm per second. The lower speed is recommended for better surface finish of the workpiece. The process is always supported by a flow of coolant. The coolant may be air and water. Next, it removes the small chips and it maintains a low and uniform temperature of the cutting tool and the workpiece. That means the functions of the coolant is that it maintains the uniform temperature on the cutting tool and the workpiece. Then honing machine. The honing machine is seen as a vertical drilling machine, and it provides reciprocating motion to the spindle. Next, because the tool is attached to the spindle, hence it provides reciprocating motion to the spindle. Next, the rotary motion is obtained by the hydraulic motor or by gear train that is provided to the tool. The rotary motion is obtained by providing power to the hydraulic motors. Depending on the movement of the spindle, the machine may be vertical or horizontal. The machine either it can be position horizontal and vertical. Next, generally the vertical honing machine is used in day-to-day life. The horizontal honing machine is recommended for finishing internal of the long gun barrels. The gun barrels that are used in the war purposes, that can be finished by using horizontal honing machines. The manufacturing defects generally found during honing process. That means the manufacturing defects can be minimized during honing process are the surface eccentricity. If the surface founds any eccentricity, tapering on the surface and circularity of the surface can be minimized, and the surface gets smooth and finished. So a good quality surface can be obtained with good dimensional accuracy. So it is the overall diagram of the honing tool with the workpiece. This is the universal joint. It is attached with the universal joint This is the driver. Driver means power is supplied connected to the hydraulic motor or gear trains. This is the spindle, and this is the particles, bonded abrasive particles, that is called as the holes, that is attached to the workpiece. Okay, and this is the rotary motion of the tool. Spindle provides reciprocating motion to the workpiece. Workpiece is attached to here, and the abrasive particles slides along the workpiece, and the honing tool rotates. So this is the overall diagrams of the honing tools that can be used in our surface finishing operations. So okay, so this finished the chapters of the honing process. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Good day.